So today I'm going to talk a little bit about our investment strategy at Beck Bode, specifically our growth strategy. So we actually don't believe in a set it and forget it approach, right? So we actually take a daily look at our clients' holdings because to us, we're getting paid money to make sure our clients' assets actually are put to work for them. So we got to work as hard as our clients have worked to make that money. So we look daily, we trade about every 6 weeks, and the reality is we're looking to the future with all of the decisions we make, all right? We are saying that the future is what's going to determine the direction of the company's stock price. And really this company's stock price is what's either going to make or lose you money. So we have this strict game plan that says when a research analyst looks at our company's holdings, looks at a company that they're researching and revise their future earnings estimate. A future earnings estimate is basically the analyst's way of saying, what do I think this company is going to do over the next 12 months? That's what we look at, 12 months earnings estimates. So the analyst looks at it and says, what do I think this company is going to do in the next 12 months? And then they give out a number and say, I think that they're going to earn X dollars per share. If they change that and say, I think it's going to earn X more dollars per share, that would be a revision upward. We look closely at that, okay? Then we look at that and say if they revise it up one more time, that company goes on an eligible list for us to buy. So 2 revisions up, and that has to happen in a 6-month time frame. 2 revisions up in 6 months goes on a list to buy. From a universe of about 4,000, we now have like roughly 150-ish buy companies. If the analysts in turn say, I don't think the future looks so good for that company, I'm going to revise the earnings per share estimate down, that company, that's our sell trigger, and we sell at the next trade interval, which happens, like I said, every 6 weeks. Then we will go and reinvest whatever proceeds we got from that sale, whether it was a gain or a loss, we will reinvest those proceeds in a newly added company on our buy list, because what we want to do is not time the market, we want to work with it. We want to hopefully catch a growth company at the beginning of what will be a good run, so that maybe in 5-6 years that company has 1,000% growth in your portfolio, and when that's one of 15 of the individual stocks that you own with Beck Bode, you're going to feel that gain.